How to add a repost note on TikTok. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add a repost note on TikTok. So this is actually a new update on TikTok. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, hit the subscribe button. It's really going to help you. So right here is my TikTok app. So the first step you need to take here is to go to your TikTok app like this. You need to simply go to your TikTok app like this. Then the next step you need to take right here on your home page is to go ahead and click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So when you do that like this, looking right here on your TikTok profile, you're going to see the repost button right here. So you need to go ahead and click on that. So unlike before, you'd be able to see the videos right here on your repost section showing horizontally. So right here you can see that it is now showing like this, and looking right here on each of those videos you have actually reposted, you'll be able to see the pen icon right there which says add a repost note. So you can go ahead and click on that and say something. So you can say, I love this. So when you do that, you can go ahead and click on add like this. So when you click on add like that, you'd be able to add a repost note to this repost you've actually done on TikTok. So this is actually a new update, and this is how you can actually add a repost note on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. See you in the next one.